To download Google Chrome on Windows, the first thing you'll need to do is open up a browser. For that, go to the search bar on Windows and type Edge. Microsoft Edge is Windows' default browser. Once the browser launches, type download Chrome. Then scroll down and select Chrome for desktop. On this page, click Download Chrome. Once the download completes, click the folder icon to locate it in the Downloads folder. Next, double-click the Chrome setup and accept the installation. From here on, Chrome will automatically download and install itself. After the installation is complete, Chrome will open up and you can begin using it just like this.